10 secrets wise people keep to themselves, and why you should do the same. In life, not everything needs to be shared, and sometimes wisdom is reflected in knowing when to stay silent. Wise people understand that some things are best kept private, as doing so benefits not only themselves but also their relationships with others. They know that discretion in speech and careful consideration of what to share helps them avoid unnecessary trouble and maintain a balanced life. Below are 10 secrets that wise people always keep to themselves, and why you should also learn to do the same. 1. Long-term future goals. Wise people often do not share their long-term goals with many others. Instead of making all their plans public, they spend time and focus working hard to turn those goals into reality before letting others know. Sharing goals too early can lead to outside pressure or unsolicited advice. Keeping these goals private gives them the personal space they need to avoid distractions and increases their chances of success. 2. Personal finances. Finances are one of the areas where wise people tend to be discreet. They understand that no one can truly grasp someone else's financial situation. And sharing information about income, savings, or investments can lead to unnecessary comparison or envy. Keeping this information private. Failure is a part of life. But wise people don't often revisit or widely share their mistakes. They learn from their failures and move forward, rather than using them as a way to seek attention or sympathy. By keeping their failures as personal lessons, they can maintain confidence and avoid being unfairly judged by others. 5. Internal conflicts. Everyone experiences internal conflicts and struggles. But wise people know that not everyone can understand or empathize with their emotions. They don't rush to share every negative thought or insecurity with others. Instead, they seek to resolve these conflicts on their own or only share with those truly close to them who can help find solutions. 6. Success strategies. Wise people rarely reveal their full success strategies. They understand that keeping part of their secrets gives them an edge in competition and personal growth. Whether in business or life, they choose to share selectively, only providing information when necessary and when it won't harm their personal interests. 7. Plans for change. When someone decides to change jobs, life direction, or even personal habits, wise people do not immediately announce these plans. They wait until things are moving smoothly and tangible results are visible before revealing their intentions. This helps them avoid opposition, skepticism, or interference from others, allowing them to fully focus on the process of change. 8. Private habits. Wise people often keep their personal habits and preferences discreet. They understand that not everyone shares the same interests, and sometimes sharing too much about these things can lead to judgment or misunderstanding. By keeping some things private, they maintain balance in their lives and protect their personal space. 9. Deep beliefs. Religious beliefs, life philosophies, or personal viewpoints are things that wise people often keep to themselves, especially when these beliefs might be controversial or conflict with others' views. They understand that oversharing on these topics may not bring benefits, and on the contrary, can lead to unnecessary debates. 10. Business opportunities. Wise people don't share the business opportunities they are pursuing. They know that not everyone shares the same perspectives or has enough information to fully understand these opportunities. And revealing them too early might lead to lost chances or unwanted competition. They only disclose their plans when they are sure they've seized the opportunity and have a clear plan in place. Why should you do the same? Wise people don't keep secrets to control or dominate. They understand that discretion helps protect themselves and maintain balance in life. Not everything needs to be shared with everyone, and keeping some information to yourself isn't about dishonesty. It's about safeguarding personal values and avoiding unnecessary complications. Learning to stay silent and only sharing when necessary will help you reduce external pressure, avoid misunderstandings, and focus more on your goals. You will also become stronger, more confident, and more in control of your life when you know that not everyone needs to know every detail about you. Ultimately, wisdom is not just about knowing what to say, but also knowing when to stay silent. Learn to keep certain things private to maintain a more peaceful, successful, and happier life.